In front of me is FreeYond M6, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by going into settings and tapping on apps. Then scroll all the way down and select Freeform Windows over here. Now tap on this switcher next to use Freeform Windows if it's not already on, and follow those instructions. So just click on one of your apps, access it in the background, and click on the icon of it at the top. Then select Freeform and hold your app. Oh, sorry, I think it crashed because of the pop-up, so I will just get rid of it. Then you need to hold it and drag it to place it wherever you want to. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you want to, you can always use this icon at the top right corner next to the X one, and this way access your app in full screen view again. If you want to close it, click on this X at the top right corner, or simply close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!